So, we had an earlier caller was talking about, well, nursing homes and Medicaid and 5-year look back period. No, don't worry about that. We have all the legal tools we need to work around that 5-year look back period, get you qualified where the government will pay for your nursing home and save you that that money. Now, Chrissy, we also run across people occasionally and said, well, Tom, I pay a monthly premium for a long-term care
Hmm.
policy. And my first words to them is that is a false sense of security, that policy, two things about it. Number one, it's probably not worth what you think it's worth as far as the benefits it's going to provide to you. And number two, the premiums on these things, they're not locked in for the lifetime. The premiums are skyrocketing for a lot of people every year to the point where you paid premiums for all these years and now you can't afford it. All that money down the drain. The planning that we do at Olsen Law Group is going to be a lot less expensive than those premiums are going to be, and it's going to be a guarantee that you would never have to pay a dime for the cost of a nursing home.
Correct. We are happy to, when we're doing consultations and, of course, when we're doing work for clients, we will, as part of that, review the long term care policy for you and, at a minimum, let you know there's different types of policies, and we will let you know what your policy is, and then you can determine from there if you would want to continue that or not. Some people do, and it does come down to, Tom, the type of policy they have. We, however, are happy to review that when we have a consultation.
I'm so glad you brought that up because I forgot that that's one of the things that our
That's what we do.
our planning department can do is literally review your policy
Hmm.
because this part of the practice is very technical to me.
It is.
But there are two types of policies out there, and one is good and one is not good for doing this kind of planning that we're doing, and then we can review the policy to see which one it is and what the benefits are, and then the client can make an informed decision about whether or not it's worth continuing to pay premiums on it.
Exactly, exactly. And most importantly, which is of course why we do this radio show, we want to educate people. So we want to educate people on all of these topics, including the long term care policy, where we educate them and let them know, and then they can take it from there.